if we could kill cancer cells by turning their own broken repair system against them? Imagine this. DNA is the essence of life. Our cells protect it every day using dedicated repair tools, proteins and pathways that fix damage before it becomes a threat. But in cancer cells, these tools are often broken, and that's their hidden vulnerability. Traditional therapies like chemo or radiotherapy damage DNA in all cells, tumor and healthy alike. But modern targeted therapies change the game. One example, DNA damage response inhibitors, drugs designed to block what little repairability cancer cells have left. The result? DNA damage builds up and cancer cells die, while healthy cells are spared. On the top of that, for DDR inhibitors to work, we need personalized, precision-based diagnosis to provide direct evidence that the targeted vulnerability is there, to match the right treatment to the right patient. This is the future of oncology, precision medicine that's smarter, more effective, and less harmful. Interested in how intoDNA contributes in reshaping cancer treatment? Let's connect.